we just got back from HP Logic, and I told them I'll come back and finish the car because it got really dark and the car needed a lot of work. I was only able to do the hood and the driver fender. So there's still, you know, the passenger fender, the bumper, the rest of the car to do, and it's gonna take time. Right now I'm at home and I just want to give you guys a little bit of update because I haven't really been talking and vlogging in the garage often, and I kind of miss it. I sat down the other day and thinking, why has my channel changed in the course of a year? I used to be very active. I used to make fun videos. I was getting like, you know, 500 to 1,000 views every day or two when I post a video, and most of that was relative to the Lexus. And I know most of my viewers are Lexus owners, and you know, you love that, but I'm a car guy, I'm a car enthusiast, so everything I do car related I want to put on the channel. Lately I've been veering off to the Honda S2000, and I love this car. I loved Hondas my whole life, and the only car that I changed from when I got rid of my Honda was the Lexus ISF and the Scion XB. I wanted to spend more time on the Lexus. Through the course of that, I learned to vinyl wrap, I learned to detail, I learned to do amongst a lot of things, and that kind of portrayed onto this car, and as well as the Honda S2000. I hope you guys still enjoy some of the content. You know, for those who don't really care to watch the other stuff, I'm sorry, but I'm trying to expand the channel, and I did do a poll the other day asking if I should make one video a week or should I daily vlog. I want to loosely say daily vlog, I don't mean every single day, which will be kind of cool because a lot of people I know, even myself, like to follow the life of someone on YouTube. Making do-it-yourself videos is cool, but I have to like stay with that the whole time. I need consistency. So to make do-it-yourself videos and to make it the same every time, I feel like I will get bored of that after a while, and there's not much of a personality behind it. It's more of just the factor of how to do something. There's plenty of do-it-yourself videos, but there's not any videos of me, my personality, of who I am. So I want to get back into making more consistent daily videos, in a sense of, like, let's say every other day, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'll make daily vlog videos like this where I talk to you guys on the camera. I want to start live streaming. I left another post on YouTube asking if I should live stream, and instead of sitting in front of my webcam or doing it on my phone, which has terrible quality, and a lot of you guys that live stream on the cell phone knows it's pretty bad quality for the most part. I have a computer that I built, and I've been struggling to edit videos on that. I'm gonna go ahead and try to live stream playing Call of Duty or something on the computer. Live stream and answer questions and, you know, interact with you. Maybe I'll do it like twice a week. I'll do it like a Tuesday and Thursday or something like that for like an hour, and just kind of test it a little bit. Like, this channel used to be called Kantstandlam Garage. Kantstandlam is my username, but I changed it to Lam Lee. So now it's Lam Lee, or aka Kantstandlam Garage, which is pretty much my empire, my everything, my life in the garage, learning how to do stuff, doing stuff for you guys. Amongst all that, I'm starting to get into road course racing with the S2000, and you know, like, it's just not fun to just keep doing do-it-yourself videos. There's so much, it's hard to explain. Like, most of you guys will get it. Like, I don't want to keep making the same stuff over and over again, and honestly, the Lexus ISF is a beautiful car, as you can see right here. I love this car. I've wrapped it twice, I've detailed it, I've gone through so many wheels, I've painted the calipers twice, upgraded the headlights, changed the whole look of this car so much in the past 3 years, almost 4 years running owning this car, and you guys been there with me, because the only reason why I made this channel was because there was nothing else. There was no one out there doing any type of videos for the Lexus, not Lexus in general, but the ISF. And when I first bought that car, that's all I wanted to watch. You know, I wanted to see who was the one making the videos, and I realized no one was making videos. Amongst putting exhaust on and doing a sound clip, amongst drag racing it and see how fast you can go, that's just the same generic stuff. I wanted to be in front of the camera with you guys, having a point of view of what I'm doing and how to do it, and I think I've kind of been there and I've completed it with this car. So there's still other things I want to do, like mechanical work, maintenance work on the Lexus, and hopefully I'm able to make those videos when I have the time. But I also want to do vlogging style videos too, to keep you guys updated on things, because if you guys watched me from the beginning, I had some pretty fun videos with, you know, some b-roll. I made it kind of cool, like Casey Neistat style, where I would like set the camera up in the garage somewhere. I'll walk in out of the door and then I'll pick that camera up, or I would jack up the car and the camera somewhere else, and you know, just gave you so much of the area that I'm in, that it almost made it feel like you were there with me. And I personally like that. I like to be involved. I like the jump around footage. I like B-roll. I like music. And I think that's what's fun in watching a YouTuber, rather than having the camera sit there and I could talk all day, or you know, just doing do-it-yourself videos with no commentary, or even if I do a commentary, it's terrible audio. But having to be able to hold the camera and talk into it, it gives me like some type of dimensional window into you guys. And I try to interact as much as I can in the comments. When you guys ask questions, people want like a quick response, and I can't answer all those questions all the time because either I'm working or I'm doing something. And you know, I'm trying to keep up with this. I'm no longer on social media. I don't post anymore on Instagram. I rarely post on Facebook, but I do check periodically back and forth for messages that might concern friends or family or whomever, and I do respond if you guys do message me on Instagram. Only thing I would use my Facebook for is to sell stuff, and that's pretty much all that it is. Like I said, probably gonna do Monday, Tuesday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday videos of vlogging and just talking about whatever it is that I'm doing, and also keeping up with answering your questions, which I'll probably do a, you know, a gaming live stream on my PC in my room on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And maybe I might bring it down to one day, like on a Tuesday, and I'll change the Thursday to quite possibly something else. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep the Lexus ISF for the rest of my life, honestly. Everyone I know, you know, you either love your car to death, you either want to keep it to save money from, you know, buying the car, or you know, you use up the time, you enjoy it, and you get in the car. The way I see it, you know, life is short. No matter how long you live, life is short. You better off enjoying everything you can. If you want to buy a car every 3 years to enjoy the next car, and you want to do that for the rest of your life, that's fine. You know what I mean? Like in my case, I took a break from the Lexus and I bought the S2000, and I really enjoyed this Honda very, very well. It's a nice change. Same thing, like I said, everyone that seems to be not watching my channels anymore seem to be the Lexus people. I understand, you know, Lexus, but we need to switch that idea into becoming a car enthusiast. We are car enthusiasts, and that's way more significant than being just objected to one make and model. So I love all cars. I might not own or want to own most of the cars out there in the world, but I still love them. I still enjoy them. I look at body lines on the car, designs, mechanical things. You know, I'm a car enthusiast, and I hope most of you subscribers are able to be the same mentality. Just when you get older, you start to appreciate everything rather than just one thing. Whew, I've been talking way too much. So anyway, today was a pretty successful day. Met with Jack and Roberto. I saw Runneck and Marcus there, as well as Pico. Went ahead and detailed that Supra, as you can see. You know, just it was pretty much like a test panel that I did, but I went ahead and just finished doing the hood as well, because I really want it to be a drastic change. It's always nice to network, and it's always nice to meet new people. Whew, again, talking way too much. Alright, we're gonna end this video right here. Please hit the like button, please subscribe if you're a new time viewer, and leave a comment. Ask me some questions. Are you excited for this new idea of live streaming and answering questions to all my viewers and stuff like that? Are you happy that I still have the Lexus ISF in its prime in glory? And are you excited to see what is going to happen with the Honda S2000? So lots of projects, lots of ideas in my head, and like I said, I want to be more interactive with my subscribers and viewers. So stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully it's something different. Peace.